To maintain control over the mobile workforce, many organizations auto-factory reset their corporate Android devices, such as smartphones and tablets. This ensures that devices are cleared of any unauthorized data and are prepared to be updated with the latest systems and apps for enhanced security. Using mobile device management software will simplify the work. Now, continue and see how to use MDM for it. As you choose your MDM provider, go to its web portal and log in. To get permission for factory reset, you need to enroll your Android devices first. Go to Device Enrollment and choose Device Owner. Then choose Default Configuration. You will see a QR code which is used for the subsequent binding process. Turn on your device and tap 6 times on the screen. When the camera is activated, use it to scan the QR code in the MDM console. Now you can set up an automated task to perform factory reset on devices. Go to Tasks and Action Logs in Workbench. Click Create Task and choose Factory Reset. Set the execution time for the operation. For example, you can select once and choose the date and specific time to auto-run factory reset. If you want to factory reset all devices, click the first option. Instead, you can select your target devices by ticking the device model or adding a specific device group. Why need auto factory reset? Firstly, it's helpful to protect corporate data. Smartphones and tablets hold sensitive information. Therefore, once lost, it may cause serious data breaches. In MDM, you can set up a triggered event to implement factory reset automatically to handle this situation. Secondly, factory reset is an effective way to improve device performance. Android devices accumulate unnecessary data, cached files, and residual settings that can impact their performance. This can result in sluggishness, slower response times, and decreased efficiency. At last, auto factory reset can simplify resetting corporate devices to their default state. This is beneficial when devices must be redeployed, reassigned to new employees, or returned at the end of an employee's tenure. For more information on AirDroid Business, please visit our official website and have a free trial. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.